Hi guys, happy new year. My name is Lade. If this is your first time of tuning to this channel, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a face mask today, and I have just this sample one that I just wanted to try out. The charcoal one. It's my first time actually doing this charcoal mask. So yeah, here it is. And this is just a sample amount that I got from my local beauty supply. It's called the Pastel Shop Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask, Pore Cleansing and Moisturizing. And behind it, it has the instructions on how to use ingredients and then caution. So let's get started. The first thing, based on what I read on how to use, is to clean your face with a warm towel. But I used a hot towel just because, I wanted to. And it felt so good. It's time to get started with applying the mask, and I only used a foundation brush and of course the paste. As I started to open this mask to apply on my face, all of a sudden I heard the baby crying, and I just had to stop and intervene. Real life. I'm back with her, and I'm just going to try and apply this mask all over my face. I started using the foundation brush, but eventually I used my fingers because I just wanted to feel that it was evenly distributed around my face. So I actually did end up using my fingers. If you want to see more of my baby and even my birth vlog, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out my videos. You'll get to see my baby. At some point I had to go put the baby down so I could use my hands to put this mask on my face, and this is how I looked. Really scary. And then I started playing all over the house and acting goofy. I even carried the baby and tried to see if she'll be scared, but I think she was too maybe she was too young to notice anything. I don't know, but she didn't act scared. Anyway, so I had the mask on for about 20 minutes. When your face starts drying, you're going to know, and the color is going to change, and it's going to start feeling very tight, as you can see. Don't even try to eat. I try to use this downtime to not eat, because as a new mom, every downtime you have, you use it to do something that is like for yourself. So I used this time. I planned to use it to eat, but man, my mouth couldn't even open, so it wasn't worth it. Yeah, I was just trying to be a monster and scare people around the house. But yeah, it feels really tight at this point, and it's time to take off. It's really not that painful, guys. Like, honestly, I don't know if it's my own tolerance to pain, but it's really not that painful to take off a peel-off mask. Most of the videos that I've seen, and people are like crying, and some people can't even do it at the end of the day. I'm like, what? I just ripped it out my face, and it wasn't painful at all. At some point I had to squint my eyes so that it even looked like I was doing something serious, but really it wasn't painful. It wasn't painful at all. I was just trying really hard to peel it off in one piece so I can see, the mask when I take it out. If your mask doesn't come out in one piece, that's absolutely fine. Just go ahead and try to take out the rest of it. Don't put it close to your hair, by the way. And now I'm just using a warm towel. Actually, I used a hot towel to clean the rest of my face, because it will come out. As you can see, it's coming off with the hot towel. Don't go and be ripping your hair out, though. You don't need to do that, though. And I feel good. See, I was even dancing. It just feels really good, guys. Now I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my face. This is my shea butter, and I have a video. I'm going to link it on the screen of how I mix my shea butter. And I put that all over my face and my neck. Just really moisturize my face with it. It's time for bed, so let me just do my skin some goodness. Give myself some love. So I just tried the face mask, and I would say it was pretty much successful. I liked it worked. I would say it worked. I'll give it like
and 80%.
I tried to get a view of like what came out, and look at all those white heads, you guys. It's real. It does work, guys. That's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.